We are ready to learn some new sounds, but before we do, let's go over the last 4 sounds that you learned. Everybody think this is a fast sound. What sound? Yes, k. Good job. See if you remember this one. This is a tricky one. What sound? Yes, eh. This is another fast sound. What sound? Yes, b. Think about this one. Everybody, what sound? Yes, v. Good job. Pat yourself on the back if you got those 4 sounds. Awesome job. Okay, well, we are going to learn 4 more sounds today. All right, this is a fast sound. Watch my mouth. This sound is g. This sound is g. Your turn. What sound? Get ready? Yes, g. This sound is g. What sound? Yes, g. All right, we're moving to this sound. This sound is eh. What sound? Yes, eh. This sound is eh. What sound? Yes, eh. Let's go back here. This sound is g. What sound? Yes, g. This sound is eh. What sound? Yes, eh. Let's see if you can remember those 2 sounds. What sound? Yes, g. Think this is a tricky one. What sound? Yes, eh. Good job. Those are tricky sounds. Guess what? We have another fast sound. This sound is k. What sound? Yes, k. This sound is k. What sound? Yes, k. Good job. That should be an easy one because it sounds just like that sound, huh? So this sound is k. What sound? Yes, k. So we're going to start right here. My turn. This is tricky. G. What sound? Yes, g. This sound is eh. What sound? Yes, eh. This sound is k. What sound? Yes, k. Okay, let's see if you can do those 3 sounds. What sound? Yes, g. What sound? Yes, eh. What sound? Yes, k. Okay, last new sound of the day. Watch my mouth. I'm going to touch my tongue to the top of the roof of my mouth. So listen to this sound. What sound? Yes, Good job, you guys. This sound is What sound? Yes, Good job. Okay, I'm going to go through these 4 sounds, and then you guys are going to see if you can do them all by yourself. This sound is g. What sound? Yes, g. This sound is eh. What sound? Yes, eh. This sound is k. What sound? Yes, k. New sound. This sound is What sound? Yes, Okay, now let's see if you can do them all yourself. What sound? Yes, g. What sound? Yes, eh. What sound? Yes, k. What sound? Yes, All right, you guys, good job for today.